How to turn off Ask Permission on App Store. In today's video, we're going to show you how to turn off the Ask Permission setting on the App Store. If you want to stop your device from asking for permission before making purchases or downloading apps, we've got you covered with two easy methods, so let's dive right in. First, let's go ahead and open Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now let's find Screen Time Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Screen Time. This is where you can control all your device's app usage settings, including app restrictions and permissions. Next, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If it's your first time, you might need to set up a passcode for Screen Time, which helps prevent others from making changes. Now tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, and under Ask to Buy, simply select Don't Require. This will turn off the Ask Permission feature for any purchase or downloads. And that's it for method 1. With this setting, your device will no longer ask for permission when you download apps or make purchase. Now, let's move on to method 2, which includes turning off the Ask Permission feature for family sharing. Start by opening Settings app and tap on Apple ID at the top. Now select Family Sharing or simply Family. Now under family sharing, select the family member for whom you want to disable to Ask to Buy. Then turn off the Ask to Buy option for the user. Here you can find an option that says Ask to Buy. Simply turn that off. And there you go. The easy way is to turn off Ask Permission on the App Store. Whether you're using Screen Time or manage family sharing, now you know exactly how to control those app download prompts.